Hello everyone and welcome back to the BOOKR class tutorial video sequence. In this video, I'm going to show you how the BOOKR books work in the application. So let's see this in practice. I'm going to open up the laptop version of the app. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm using a Mac version of the application on a laptop, but don't worry because this app works and looks exactly the same way on any other device and operating systems. Right now we are logged into a child's account and you can probably see that it's a little bit different from what you can see as a parent in your library view. I'll talk about these differences in another video, so stay tuned if you want to know more about this. Now I'm going to select all the books and I would like to show you how A Day at the Beach book looks like and how it works. So I'm going to click on this book now and I already can see a couple of information about the book. Here you can see the Lexile level, the BOOKR level, and the amount of coins that the child can earn after reading this book, and not only a coin but also the badge that the child can earn after reading the book. Here is the short description about the story, and on the left side you can see the cover of the book as well as similar books that are related to this specific book based on the child's interest and level of English. Now I'm going to click on the play button and the book will start.
A Day at the Beach. Hooray! We're going to the beach today. It's going to be fun.
Now I have pushed the pause button and it brought up a couple of other buttons here on the books page. Let's see what you can do with these buttons. Click on the settings button up here and it will give you these options to turn on or off. If you switch the narration off, everything else will go off. Let's see what happens now. As you can see, there is no narration, there is no text highlighting, and there is no automatic page turn either. Now I'm going to switch narration back on and everything else switches back too. Now I'm going to switch off text highlighting and everything else stays the same.
Look, the beach is so dirty. There's rubbish everywhere.
And now I'll switch text highlighting back and I'll switch page turn off. This means that I have to do it manually. I can either press these arrows on the sides of the pages.
I'm very sad.
Or if I click on the pause button, I can step on any pages that are down here at the bottom of the page.
Wait a minute.
These options can be changed anytime during reading.
There are 4 bins. One is for plastic, one is for glass,
Now I'm going to go back to the library view and I'll show you that in the child's profile view, under settings, these reading preferences can be set anytime. I hope you found this video very useful and I hope I will see you in another video as well, which will be about what the child can do in their account. Thanks for watching and see you soon.